Alrighty, so now that you have decided on a couple industries that you may want to work in, now what you're going to be doing is looking near your college of choice to find actual jobs that are available. They may not be hiring in real life right now, but I just want you guys to be very cautious and choose jobs that are realistic for you. For instance, you don't want to choose Disneyland if you have decided to go to college in Hawaii. Also, you would not want to choose a place in downtown LA if you plan on attending UC Irvine and you don't have a vehicle. So, we want to kind of align this with what your goals and what you're going to have so you just have a better picture of what your future might look like. So, we're going to go to Google Maps here. It's the easiest way to identify places around your college. So, Google Maps. So right here in the search bar, I am going to type CSULB. Remember, that was my college of choice. So I'm going to go ahead and select that. Then I'm going to go ahead and wait for it to load. So here's the information. I'm going to collapse the side panel so I can see a full screen of it. So what you're going to do here is you're just going to kind of look around the school. So if you want to work on campus, there's some on-campus fast food places, the bookstore. You can also go off campus if you start moving your map around and looking for places like if you're looking for Parks and Rec, there's a YMCA here. If you're looking for coffee shop, Coffee and Bean here. You do, if you know you're going to have a vehicle or you have one now and you're going to continue having it, you can go a little bit further and expand your search. Just make sure that you record your thinking on your Google Doc page. This is going to be the last step before we move on to our living situations. So go ahead and take time and dig in, find at least 2 places that you want to work, and figure out your monthly budget. All the information is going to be on that growing Google Doc that you'll be submitting to your teachers.